Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? Today I am sending this video to tell you to make you understand how to compare the fraction, since I have received some comments that comparing fractions is difficult for you. Now you look at this one. Okay, there's a topic, compare fraction, and this is the first point that you have to remember. The first point that you have to remember is when the denominators of a fraction is same, how can you compare the fraction? When the denominator, look at these two fractions, the denominators are same. I hope you know that denominators are the bottom number, numerators are the top number. When the denominators are same, you look at the numerator. The bigger numerator will have is the bigger fraction. The bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. Look at this one. Now this one, the denominators are same. Look at the numerator. The bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. Look at these two. The denominators are same. Look at the bigger numerator will be the bigger fraction. Look at this one. So 4/5. Right. Now the second point that you have to remember is fraction with the same numerator but different denominators. Okay. Same numerator but different denominators. Look at this. Sorry for that one. Look at this one. Now see, the denominators are different. The numerators are same. See, the top numbers are same. The bottom numbers are different. In that case, you look for the smaller bottom number. Smaller denominator will have the bigger fraction. So here the bigger fraction is 3/6. Now look at this one. The numerators are same, denominators are different. So look for the smaller denominator. Smaller denominator is this one. So that will be the bigger fraction. Now look at this one. Numerators are same. When the numerators are same, look for the small denominator. Which one is smaller? 8, right? So that will be the bigger fraction. Now look at this one. Numerators are same. See, the smaller denominator will be the bigger fraction. Thank you. I hope it's clear, these 2 points. There is another third point that you will remember, and it will be in the next video.